I greet you again, visitor, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. The only request I have of you is to watch 50 seconds, 1 minute of this video clip, and according to the title you will definitely appreciate this posted clip. In the clip presented today I will talk/explain about how the anaconda snake kills you, a detailed look at a top predator. Anaconda is a genus of snake that lives in the tropical regions of South America. Anacondas are considered some of the largest snakes in the world, both in terms of length and weight. The best-known species is the green anaconda, Unex murinus, which can grow to lengths of over 9 meters and weigh over 250 kilograms. These fascinating creatures are top predators in their ecosystem, using brute force and specialized hunting techniques to capture and kill their prey. Anaconda anatomy and physiology. Anaconda is equipped with a massive body and extremely powerful muscles. Its constrictor muscles are capable of applying enormous pressure on prey, which is essential to its hunting technique. The anaconda also has flexible jaws that allow it to swallow prey whole, regardless of its size. Constrictor muscles. The constrictor muscles are extremely well developed and allow the anaconda to wrap its body around its prey with tremendous force. Once the anaconda secures its prey, it begins the process of suffocation by tightening its body with each exhalation of the victim. Flexible jaws. Anaconda jaws are not held together by solid bone, allowing them to open extremely wide. This adaptation allows it to swallow prey that are much larger than its head. Habitat and hunting behavior. Anacondas prefer moist habitats such as rivers, swamps, and lakes and rainforests. These areas provide them with ideal conditions to camouflage and move quickly underwater. Anacondas are ambush predators, meaning they hide and wait for prey to approach before attacking. Camouflage and mobility in water. The skin of the anaconda has a complex pattern of spots that help it blend seamlessly into its aquatic environment. This is often invisible until the moment of attack. Nocturnal hunting. Anacondas are primarily nocturnal, hunting most often at night. They rely on their highly developed sense of smell and ability to sense vibrations to locate prey. The killing process. How the anaconda neutralizes its prey. When an anaconda attacks, it uses its sharp, curved fangs to grab its prey. Although the bite is not venomous, it is strong enough to restrain the prey. Once the prey is caught, the anaconda quickly wraps its body around it and begins to squeeze. Constriction. The constriction process is incredibly effective. As the prey tries to breathe, each exhalation is followed by a stronger squeeze from the snake, gradually reducing the victim's ability to breathe. Eventually, the prey dies by suffocation or by stopping blood circulation. Prey monitoring. The anaconda maintains its grip until it is certain that the prey is completely immobilized and dead. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the size of the prey. Ingestion of prey. After the prey is dead, the anaconda begins the swallowing process. Despite its large size, the anaconda is able to swallow large prey thanks to its flexible jaws and the ability to dislocate its jaws. Swallowing stages. Anaconda begins swallowing its prey by the head, as this facilitates easier passage of the victim's body through the snake's digestive tract. The whole process can take several hours, depending on the size of the prey. Digestion. Digestion of a large meal can take weeks or even months. During this process, the anaconda becomes much more inactive, spending most of its time hidden to avoid predators. Anaconda interaction with humans. Although anacondas are not typically a threat to humans, there are documented cases where the large snakes have attacked and even killed humans. These incidents are extremely rare, however, and usually occur when the snake feels threatened or hungry. Documented cases. There are a few recorded cases of anacondas attacking humans. More often than not, these attacks are the result of accidental encounters in the snake's habitat. Prevention of attacks. People living or traveling in areas inhabited by anacondas are advised to be cautious and avoid areas where these snakes are known to hunt. Understanding snake behavior and avoiding actions that could be interpreted as threatening are essential to preventing attacks. Conclusion. The anaconda is a fascinating but dangerous predator that has developed incredible abilities to survive and thrive in its natural habitat. Although not typically a threat to humans, its strength and effectiveness as a predator should not be underestimated. Understanding how the anaconda captures and kills its prey provides valuable insight into the remarkable adaptations of this extraordinary snake. I greet you again, visitor, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. The only request I have of you is to watch 50 seconds, 1 minute of this video clip, and according to the title you will definitely appreciate this posted clip. In the clip presented today I will talk/explain about Great White Shark versus Crocodile, titans of the waters in a clash of nature. In the vast kingdom of nature, the Great White Shark, Carcharodon carcharias, and the saltwater crocodile, Crocodile porosus, are two of the most formidable predators. Both occupy the top of the food chain in their respective environments, and the encounter between these two titans is a fascinating showdown of evolution and adaptability. Despite the fact that the great white shark and the saltwater crocodile live in different environments, they share certain traits, but also major differences that make them uniquely fearsome. In this video article we analyze in detail the biological characteristics, behavior, habitat and ecological interactions of the great white shark and the saltwater crocodile, providing a complete picture of these two remarkable species. Biological characteristics: White shark. The great white shark is one of the most well-known and studied shark species. It is an apex predator in the world's oceans, holding the title of king of sharks. It can reach a length of up to 6 meters and a weight of over 2,000 kilograms, although larger specimens have rarely been seen. Anatomy and physique: the great white shark has a spindle-shaped body, adapted for speed and efficiency in the water. Its powerful mandible is equipped with triangular, serrated teeth that are designed to cut through flesh and bone. Great white sharks also have an electroreceptor system called the ampullae of Lorenzini, which allows them to detect electric fields emitted by their prey. Reproductive system: the great white shark is viviparous, which means that the young develop inside the mother's body and are born alive. Females give birth to a small number of cubs, between 2 and 10, after a gestation period that can last up to 18 months. Digestive system and nutrition: great white sharks are opportunistic carnivores, feeding on large fish, seals, sea lions, and even small whales. Their digestion is relatively slow, allowing them to survive long periods without food. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile, also known as the poor man of the water, is the largest reptile in the world and one of the most powerful predators on the planet. It can reach lengths of up to 7 meters and weigh over 1,000 kilograms. Anatomy and physique: the saltwater crocodile has a robust body covered with hard scales that provide it with excellent protection. Its jaw is extremely powerful, with a bite force exceeding 3,700 kilograms, strong enough to crush large bones. Unlike the shark, the crocodile does not have serrated teeth, but its powerful bite makes its prey almost impossible to escape. Reproduction system: crocodiles are oviparous, laying eggs on land in nests built by females. Females protect the nests, and once the eggs hatch, they help the chicks get to the water. Digestive system and nutrition: crocodiles are also opportunistic carnivores, but their diet includes a wider variety of prey, including fish, birds, mammals, and other reptiles. Their digestive system is extremely efficient, allowing them to digest a wide range of tissues, including bones and shells. Habitat and distribution. The great white shark. The great white shark prefers temperate and tropical waters and is often found in coastal areas and around islands where prey is abundant. The most frequented regions include the coasts of California, South Africa, and Australia, as well as the cold waters of the North Atlantic. White sharks are known for their long-distance migrations, following food sources and breeding cycles. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is best adapted to the coastal and estuarine habitats of Southeast Asia and northern Australia. They are tolerant of salinity and can also be found in rivers, swamps, and sometimes even in the sea. Crocodiles are territorially aggressive, occupying large territories that they defend against other crocodiles and predators. Behavior and hunting techniques. The great white shark. Great white sharks are solitary predators known for their swift and violent attacks. They use a combination of speed and strength to capture and immobilize prey. Great white sharks can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour in the water and are able to jump completely out of the water during attacks, a technique called breaching. Their hunting strategy often includes attacking from below, striking prey with a force that can lift it out of the water, causing instant shock and incapacitation. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is an ambush predator, waiting for its prey in the water, almost invisible, until it gets close enough. The crocodile attacks with lightning speed, grabbing its prey with its powerful jaws and dragging it into the water to drown it. Once captured, the prey is often spun in the water in a move known as the death roll, which tears off large chunks of flesh. Crocodiles can sit still for hours, saving their energy for the right moment. The confrontation between the great white shark and the crocodile. If the great white shark and saltwater crocodile were to meet, the outcome would depend on many factors, including the size, environment, and circumstances of the encounter. In open water, the white shark would have the advantage due to its speed and agility. However, in shallower waters or in coastal areas, the crocodile may have an advantage due to its bite force and ambush techniques. Both animals have lethal weapons, the shark with its jagged teeth and fast attacks, and the crocodile with its crushing jaw and ability to drown its prey. A showdown between these two titans would be rare in nature, but would represent a battle of the titans that illustrates the raw power and extreme adaptability of both species. Ecological roles. The great white shark. The great white shark plays a vital role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. As an apex predator, the great white shark controls populations of seals and other prey, preventing overpopulation and ensuring ecological balance. By eliminating weak and sick individuals, the great white shark also helps maintain the genetic health of prey populations. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile has a similar role in coastal and estuarine ecosystems, controlling populations of fish and other aquatic animals. Crocodiles contribute to ecological diversity and maintain ecosystem health through their role as top predators, removing weak and diseased individuals from prey populations. Conclusion. The great white shark and the saltwater crocodile are two of the most formidable predators on the planet, each perfectly adapted to its environment and ecological role. Although they would rarely interact in nature, analysis of these two species highlights the strength, adaptability, and evolutionary complexity that have made them apex predators. The great white shark dominates the oceans, while the saltwater crocodile dominates coastal waters and estuaries, both having a profound impact on the ecosystems in which they live. Finally, these two titans of nature remind us of the diversity and magnificence of the natural world. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Alex Suzu. In this video we will discuss, present everything about top 10 most dangerous vipers snakes around the world. Alex Suzu wishes you a pleasant viewing in the clip in which you will watch it further. Vipers are among the most feared and dangerous snakes in the world, recognized for their powerful venom and ability to cause injury or even death in severe cases. They are found on almost every continent except Antarctica, and their species vary in toxicity, behavior, and habitat. In what follows, we'll explore some of the world's most dangerous vipers, looking at how their venom works, where they live, and what makes them so feared. 1. Gabonese viper, Vitis gabonica. The Gabonese viper is one of the largest viper species, reaching up to 2 meters in length and with a distinctive broad head. It lives in the rainforests and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa and is known for its highly toxic venom. What makes this snake particularly dangerous is that it has the longest fangs of any venomous snake species, measuring up to 5 centimeters. Its venom is a combination of hemotoxic and neurotoxic toxins that cause massive internal bleeding, tissue necrosis, and paralysis. Surprisingly, this species has a relatively calm temperament and does not attack unless provoked, but a bite from this viper can be fatal if not treated promptly. 2. Russell's viper, Daboia russellii. This species is widespread in South Asia and Southeast Asia, in countries such as India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Thailand. The Russell's viper is recognized for its aggressive behavior and is responsible for most snakebite deaths in this region. Its venom contains powerful enzymes that cause rapid blood clotting, followed by massive bleeding, kidney failure, and death. Another factor that makes this species so dangerous is that it often lives near human settlements, which increases the risk of human encounters. Symptoms of a bite include severe pain, swelling, dizziness, and multiple organ failure in severe cases. 3. European adder, Vipera berus. The European viper is one of the few venomous snake species found in Europe, with a wide distribution in areas such as Scandinavia, Great Britain, France, and Germany. Although not as lethal as other vipers on this list, its bite can cause severe symptoms, especially in children, the elderly, or people with pre-existing health conditions. The European viper's venom is mainly hemotoxic, affecting the blood vessels and tissues around the bite site. In rare cases, it can cause severe allergic reactions such as anaphylactic shock. Often living in temperate habitats, this snake is mostly active in the warm months, and although it avoids contact with humans, it may bite when surprised or provoked. 4. Blood viper, Bothrops asper. This species of viper is found in Central and South America, including countries such as Mexico, Colombia, and Costa Rica. It is known for its aggressive behavior and its ability to attack quickly, even without a clear challenge. It is one of the main causes of ophidian accidents in its region of origin. Its venom is extremely complex, containing toxins that cause hemolysis, necrosis, and blood clotting. The effects of a bite include severe pain, edema, and extensive tissue necrosis, which can lead to amputation in severe cases. Treatments for bites from this snake must be given quickly to prevent fatal complications. 5. Saw-scaled viper, Echis carinatus. Also known as the saw-scale snake, this viper is found in arid areas of North Africa, the Middle East, and South Asia. It is a small but extremely dangerous species, responsible for more deaths than almost any other venomous snake in India and Pakistan. Its venom causes severe bleeding, affects the circulatory system, and can lead to disseminated intravascular coagulation, DIC, a condition that results in abnormal blood clotting throughout the body. Bites are extremely painful and the death rate can be high in areas without quick access to anti-venom and emergency medical care. 6. White-lipped viper, Trimeresurus albolabris. Living in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, the white-lipped viper is a particularly dangerous species due to its neurotoxic venom. This small-sized viper may seem harmless at first glance, but its venom quickly affects the victim's nervous system, causing paralysis and respiratory failure. What makes it even more dangerous is its ability to camouflage itself very well in dense vegetation, being difficult to spot until it is too late. Although its bites are rarely fatal in the presence of proper treatment, they can cause permanent damage and intense suffering. 7. Cerastes viper, Cerastes cerastes. Known as the horned viper because of the two horn-like protrusions above the eyes, this species lives in the deserts of North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. It is perfectly adapted to its arid environment, where it hides under the sand to hunt its prey. Cerastes viper venom is hemotoxic, causing internal bleeding, tissue destruction and, in severe cases, death of the victim. Although encounters with humans are relatively rare due to its isolated habitat, this snake is extremely dangerous when challenged. Its bites require immediate medical treatment to avoid fatal complications. 8. Sahara viper, Vitis aritans. This species of viper is found in the arid and semi-arid regions of Africa, from the Sahara Desert to the savannas. The Sahara viper is extremely dangerous due to its powerful venom and aggressive behavior, being responsible for many deaths in Africa. Its venom is hemotoxic and mainly affects the blood vessels and tissues around the bite site. It can cause extensive necrosis, causing victims to suffer amputations in severe cases. Although it is not as lethal as other vipers on this list, its high rate of human encounters makes it a major danger. 9. Fer-de-lance viper, Bothrops atrox. This species of viper is common in the tropical forests of South America, especially in the Amazon. The fer-de-lance is extremely dangerous, being responsible for a significant number of snake bites and deaths in South America. Its hemotoxic and cytotoxic venom causes intense pain, necrosis, and severe bleeding. An untreated bite can lead to death within hours, especially in isolated areas where access to medical care is limited. This viper is extremely aggressive and often attacks without warning, making it one of the most feared species in its region. 10. Romanian viper, Vipera amidites. Last on this list is the horned viper, a species native to southeastern Europe, including Romania, Greece, and the Balkans. Although it is not as lethal as other vipers, its bites can be dangerous, especially if the victim does not receive prompt treatment. Its venom is hemotoxic and causes intense pain, swelling, and localized necrosis. In rare cases, it can cause anaphylactic shock and other severe complications. The Romanian viper is usually shy and avoids contact with humans, but can become dangerous if provoked. These vipers are some of the most dangerous snake species on the planet, each with unique characteristics and highly toxic venoms. Although many of them avoid contact with humans, the danger they represent cannot be underestimated, especially in regions where access to antivenom and medical care is limited. In conclusion, vipers are an example of dangerous yet fascinating nature and should be treated with respect and caution. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Alex Suzu. In this video we will discuss, present everything about, top of the most beautiful horse breeds. Alex Suzu wishes you a pleasant viewing in the clip in which you will watch it further. A top of the most beautiful horse breeds can be subjective, as beauty can be defined by different characteristics such as elegance, graceful movement, distinct physical traits or temperament. However, depending on the general appreciation, here is a detailed description of the most impressive and recognizable horse breeds, each with its own unique beauty. 1. The Arabian horse. The Arabian horse is undoubtedly one of the most famous and appreciated horse breeds for its beauty. This breed is native to the Arabian Peninsula and is considered one of the oldest domesticated horse breeds in the world, with a history of over 4,500 years. Physical characteristics. Distinctive head. The small, fine head with a concave profile, called a saucer head, and wide nostrils are classic features of this breed. Arched neck. Their long and arched neck is another striking feature, giving them a regal appearance. Raised tail. Another distinguishing mark is the way they carry their tails raised while walking, giving them a special grace. Large and expressive eyes. Large and expressive eyes are one of the most attractive features of the Arabian horse. In addition to their good looks, Arabian horses are known for their endurance, being used in endurance races, and their calm and balanced temperament, which makes them excellent partners for both competition and recreational riding. 2. Frisian. The Frisian horse, originally from the Netherlands, is renowned for its imposing beauty and natural elegance. Over time, these horses have been very popular for parades, dressage competitions and ceremonies due to their regal appearance and impressive stage presence. Physical characteristics. Black color. Its most distinctive feature is its completely black color with no other markings, which gives it a noble and powerful look. Rich mane and tail. Frisians have a very long and thick mane and tail, which are often left to grow naturally, giving them a wild and majestic appearance. Strong legs and feathers. On the legs, they have feathers, long hairs, in the hoof area, which gives them a graceful and imposing movement. Robust build. Although they are quite large and muscular, their movement is very light and graceful. The Frisian is often considered a show horse, being frequently used in dressage and carriage due to its imposing appearance and public presence. 3. Andalusian, Spanish horse. The Andalusian, also known as the Spanish horse, is one of the oldest and most respected breeds in Europe. These horses have been used for centuries as a symbol of royalty and power, being favored by many royal houses in Europe. Originally from the Andalusia region of Spain, this horse is a true example of elegance and strength. Physical characteristics. Robust build. Andalusians have a well-defined muscle structure, but are still agile and graceful. Predominant color. Although they can be found in a variety of colors, most Andalusians have a gray or white coat, which gives them a noble appearance. Arched and elegant neck. Their long and arched neck gives them a dignified and proud posture. Noble movement. They are known for their fluid and elegant movement, excelling in classical dressage competitions and traditional horsemanship demonstrations. Andalusians are valued not only for their looks, but also for their noble temperament and ease of training. 4. Akhal-Teke horse. Considered by many to be the most beautiful horse breed in the world, the Akhal-Teke is an extremely rare breed that originated in Turkmenistan. It is known for its unique appearance and shiny fur that can give the impression of being metallic. Physical characteristics. Shiny coat. Some of these horses have a metallic sheen to their coat, especially the golden-colored ones, which makes them extremely visually appealing. Athletic appearance. They have a thin and slender body with well-defined musculature, which gives them an extremely graceful and athletic appearance. Fine and elegant head. Their head is elongated and refined, with large eyes and well-developed nostrils. Impressive endurance. In addition to their beauty, Akhal-Teke are known for their physical endurance, being able to walk great distances without tiring. These horses are often compared to living sculptures due to their refined and graceful appearance, being one of the most prized breeds in the world. 5. Lusitano. The Lusitano is a Portuguese breed closely related to the Andalusian, sharing many common physical traits. However, the Lusitano is known for its more energetic temperament and exceptional skills in dressage and bullfighting competitions. Physical characteristics. Robust constitution, it is a medium-sized horse with well-developed musculature and harmonious proportions. Arched neck and expressive head, similar to the Andalusian, the Lusitano has an elegant neck and a well-defined head with expressive eyes. Varied color, although most Lusitano horses are gray in color, they can also be found in colors such as brown or black. In the dressage arenas and at traditional Portuguese events, the Lusitano is highly regarded for its grace and strength. Sex, Hanoverian. The Hanoverian is one of the most popular sport horse breeds in the world, commonly used in dressage, show jumping, and equestrian events. These horses are prized for their combination of strength, elegance, and poise. Physical characteristics. Athletic build, Hanoverians are large and powerful, with well-defined musculature, but are also extremely graceful. Noble head, their head is well-proportioned and their large and intelligent eyes express sensitivity. Fluid movement, they are known for their wide and fluid movement, which makes them excellent in high-level dressage competitions. In international equestrian competitions, Hanoverians are often among the top-performing breeds, being highly sought after by trainers and riders. 7. Gypsy Vanner. The Gypsy Vanner is a light draft horse breed originating in Great Britain known for its beautiful appearance and long, rich hair. These horses are often described as fairy tale horses due to their romantic appearance. Physical characteristics. Long leg feathers, one of the most distinctive features of this breed is the long hair that grows around the legs, giving them an elegant movement. Rich mane and tail, the Gypsy Vanner has a very long and thick mane and tail, which gives them a romantic look. Compact constitution, although they are relatively small compared to other breeds, they are very strong and robust. These horses are often used for pleasure riding and in parades, being considered true living works of art. 8. Marwari. The Marwari is a breed of horse from India, famous for its unique ears that curve inwards, almost forming a circle. This unique trait makes Marwari instantly recognizable and highly prized in its regions of origin. Physical characteristics. Curved ears, their distinctive inward curving ears are the breed's most distinctive sign. Athletic appearance, Marwaris are agile and slender with a fine and elegant build. Endurance, they are known for their endurance, having originally been used as war horses. These horses are highly valued in traditional Indian culture and are used in parades, ceremonial events, and for riding. Conclusion. Each horse breed has its own charm, whether it's the elegance of an Arabian, the commanding presence of a Frisian, or the exotic look of an Akeltec. Regardless of preference, the beauty of these animals can be appreciated in many ways, from the grace in movement to the unique physical details of each breed. I greet you again, visitor, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. The only request I have of you is to watch 50 seconds, 1 minute of this video clip, and according to the title you will definitely appreciate this posted clip. In the clip presented today I will talk/explain about types of intelligent snakes, an exploration of behavior and cognitive abilities. Snakes are often perceived as simple and instinctive creatures, but recent research has revealed that these reptiles possess a surprising range of cognitive and behavioral abilities. Although they lack the complex intelligence of mammals or birds, certain species of snakes demonstrate behaviors that suggest a high level of adaptability and learning. In this article video, we will explore some of these species and their remarkable behaviors. Ready? To let him go. 1. King snakes, Lampripeltis spp. King snakes, or milk snakes, are known for their ability to mimic the colors and patterns of other venomous species such as coral. This form of mimicry is an example of an evolutionary adaptation that demonstrates a form of intelligence at the species level. Although this ability is not a form of individual intelligence, but rather an evolutionary strategy, it suggests a level of sophistication in how these reptiles have evolved to survive. Additionally, king snakes are known for their ability to learn and adapt to captive environments. For example, cases have been observed where these snakes have developed specific behaviors to obtain food in a controlled environment, which suggests an ability to learn and adapt to new living conditions. 2. The royal python, Python regius. Royal pythons are one of the most popular snake species in captivity due to their docile nature and varied colors. Not only are these snakes easy to care for, but they also demonstrate a remarkable level of intelligence. For example, royal pythons can recognize feeding patterns and become active in the presence of specific stimuli that indicate the proximity of food. Another interesting behavior observed in royal pythons is their ability to adjust their thermoregulatory behaviors. They can choose their resting places according to the desired temperature, thus demonstrating a level of awareness and adaptability to their environment. In the wild, these snakes use the same ability to avoid predators and optimize their energy expenditure. 3. Coral snake, Micrurus spp. Coral snakes are among the most venomous snake species in the world, but in addition to their powerful venom, these snakes also demonstrate an interesting form of intelligent behavior. Some coral snakes are able to adjust their hunting behaviors according to environmental conditions and the presence of other predators. These snakes also use complex color patterns to warn their potential predators of danger, suggesting a sophisticated form of visual communication. Although not known for their interaction with humans, coral snakes demonstrate intelligent behavior in the way they coordinate their movements and attacks to maximize the chances of hunting success. This ability to plan and execute precise movements is indicative of a more sophisticated intelligence than might be expected from a reptile. 4. Boa constrictor. The boa constrictor is another species of snake that demonstrates remarkable intelligence. These snakes are known for their sophisticated technique of capturing and immobilizing prey. By precisely gripping its prey, the boa constrictor applies constant pressure, adapting its technique to the size and resistance of the victim. This adaptability means that the boa constrictor can capture and consume a wide variety of animals, demonstrating an ability to assess and react to various situations. In addition, research has shown that the boa constrictor can learn from experience and adjust its hunting strategy based on previous results. This ability to learn suggests a high level of intelligence compared to other reptiles. 5. Garter snakes, Thamnophis spp. Garter snakes are known for their social skills and complex group behavior. These snakes are often seen in large aggregations during the mating season, which requires some form of coordination and communication between individuals. A remarkable aspect of these snakes is their ability to recognize and form bonds with other individuals, suggesting a form of social intelligence rarely seen in reptiles. Research has shown that garter snakes are able to recognize specific individuals within a group and adjust their behavior based on previous experiences with those individuals. This capacity for recognition and behavioral adaptation is a rare trait in snakes and indicates a surprising level of cognitive complexity. Sex, king cobra, Ophiophagus hanna. The king cobra is one of the largest venomous snake species and is known not only for its impressive size and powerful venom, but also for its remarkable intelligence. These snakes are active predators that hunt other snakes and can demonstrate strategic behavior in how they capture their prey. A fascinating aspect of the king cobra is its parental behavior. Females build elaborate nests for their eggs and carefully guard them until they hatch, an extremely rare behavior among snakes. This suggests not only a form of intelligence, but also a level of empathy and protection towards offspring, which is unusual in reptiles. 7. Green snake, Aphiodres estivus. Green snakes are known for their predator avoidance behavior, which suggests a form of defensive intelligence. These snakes use their green coloring to camouflage themselves in the vegetation, and in situations of danger, they adjust their behavior to remain invisible to predators. This ability to change their behavior depending on the context demonstrates a high level of adaptability and intelligence. Green snakes have also been observed using varied hunting techniques, adjusting their approach based on the type of prey available. This suggests not only adaptability, but also the ability to learn from experience and apply that knowledge in the future. 8. Black mamba, Dendroaspis polylepis. The black mamba is one of the most feared and respected snake species due to its highly toxic venom and impressive speed. Apart from these traits, the black mamba demonstrates highly strategic behavior in the way it approaches its prey and avoids its predators. This snake is known for its ability to anticipate the movements of its prey and the speed with which it reacts to danger. Research has shown that the black mamba can learn quickly and adjust its hunting tactics based on previous success. This ability to learn and adapt is a clear indication of a high level of intelligence among snakes. 9. Green Anaconda, Unex murinus. The green anaconda, the largest snake in the world, is known for its immense strength and sophisticated hunting technique. These snakes are ambush predators, meaning they must carefully plan their attacks to catch their prey. The green anaconda demonstrates a level of intelligence by the way it chooses its ambush sites and by its ability to remain motionless for long periods of time until its prey comes close enough. The green anaconda is also able to adjust its strangulation technique based on the size and resistance of the prey, suggesting a form of adaptability and experience-based learning. This ability to assess situations and react effectively demonstrates remarkable intelligence for a reptile. 10. Rattlesnakes, Crocodile S.U.S.C.R.I.B.E. Rattlesnakes are known not only for the distinctive sound they make with their tails, but also for their sophisticated defensive behavior. These snakes use a combination of acoustic and visual signals to warn potential predators, and this form of communication suggests a high level of intelligence. In the wild, rattlesnakes are able to adjust their hunting and defense behaviors depending on the context, thus demonstrating an ability to adapt and learn. Research has also shown that these snakes can recognize specific individuals and learn from previous interactions, suggesting a form of memory and social intelligence. Conclusion. Although snakes are not often considered among the most intelligent animals, evidence suggests that some species demonstrate a remarkable level of adaptability and cognitive behavior. Whether it's sophisticated hunting strategies, complex social behaviors, or the ability to learn and adapt to new conditions, these snakes show us that intelligence can take many forms and be found in unexpected places. Understanding these behaviors not only gives us a deeper appreciation for these fascinating creatures, but also underscores the importance of conserving them in the wild. As we continue to study and understand these animals, we can discover even more about the complexity and diversity of life on Earth. I greet you again, visitor, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. The only request I have of you is to watch 50 seconds, 1 minute of this video clip, and according to the title you will definitely appreciate this posted clip. In the clip presented today I will talk/explain about black mamba versus anaconda. The comparison between the black mamba and the anaconda involves the analysis of two very different snake species in terms of habitat, behavior, and physical characteristics. Here is a detailed overview of both snakes and how they compare. Black mamba, Dendroaspis polylepis. Habitat: the black mamba lives in the savannas and forests of sub-Saharan Africa. It prefers dry areas and can often be found in trees or bushes. Size: it is one of the longest venomous snakes in the world, reaching lengths of up to 4.3 meters. Venom: the black mamba is extremely venomous, having a powerful neurotoxic venom that can cause death within hours if antivenom is not administered. The venom affects the central nervous system, leading to paralysis and respiratory failure. Behavior: it is very fast and agile, being able to reach speeds of up to 20 km per hour. It is known for its aggressive behavior when threatened, but generally avoids contact with humans. Diet: feeds on small mammals and birds, using its venom to paralyze prey before consuming it. Anaconda, Unex S.U.S.C.R.I.B.E. Habitat: anaconda lives in the tropical and subtropical regions of South America, preferring aquatic environments such as rivers, swamps, and lagoons. Size: the green anaconda, Unex murinus, is the world's largest snake species in terms of mass and length, reaching lengths of up to 7 meters or more and weighing over 100 kilograms. Venom: anaconda is not venomous. It is a constrictor snake that kills its prey by constriction, suffocating it to death. Behavior: it is a semi-aquatic predator, spending a lot of time in water. It is generally less aggressive towards humans than the black mamba, but can become dangerous if provoked. Diet: feeds on large mammals, birds, fish, and even other reptiles. Anacondas can consume much larger prey compared to the black mamba due to their size and strength. Direct comparison. Habitat: the black mamba prefers dry areas and can live both on the ground and in trees, while the anaconda is adapted for an aquatic environment. Size: the anaconda is much larger and heavier than the black mamba. Venom versus constriction: the black mamba uses neurotoxic venom to kill its prey, while the anaconda uses constriction. Behavior: the black mamba is more aggressive and fast, while the anaconda is slower and less aggressive towards humans. Danger to humans: the black mamba is much more dangerous due to its deadly venom, while the anaconda poses less danger to humans, although it can be dangerous due to its brute strength. Conclusion. The black mamba and the anaconda are two very different snake species, each with their own unique adaptations to their environment. While the black mamba is known for its extremely dangerous venom and aggressive behavior, the anaconda impresses with its colossal size and constriction power. Each is a formidable predator in its own habitat. I greet you again, visitor, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. The only request I have of you is to watch 50 seconds, 1 minute of this video clip, and according to the title you will definitely appreciate this posted clip. In the clip presented today I will talk/explain about top of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Snakes are among the most fascinating and feared creatures on the planet. Despite the fact that most snakes are harmless to humans, there are a few that can be extremely dangerous due to their powerful venom and aggressive behavior. In this video article, we will explore the most dangerous snakes in the world, analyzing their characteristics, habitat, and how their venom affects their victims. 1. Coastal taipan, Oxyurinus scutellatus. Characteristics. Venom: the coastal taipan is known for its extremely potent venom, which contains neurotoxins, procoagulants, and myotoxins. Habitat: it is found in tropical and subtropical areas of northern Australia and New Guinea. Behavior: usually avoids contact with humans, but can become very aggressive if threatened. Danger. Coastal taipan venom can cause paralysis, internal bleeding, and kidney failure. A single bite can kill up to 100 people, making it one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. 2. Black mamba, Dendroaspis polylepis. Characteristics. Venom: black mamba venom contains extremely potent neurotoxins that can cause death in less than 20 minutes if antivenom is not administered. Habitat: found in savannas and open woodlands of eastern and southern Africa. Behavior: it is known for its incredible speed and aggressive behavior. Danger. The black mamba is considered the most dangerous snake in Africa due to its lethal combination of powerful venom and aggression. They often attack multiple times, injecting large amounts of venom. 3. King snake, Ophiophagus hanna. Characteristics. Venom: its venom contains neurotoxins that can cause paralysis and respiratory failure. Habitat: lives in the tropical forests of South and Southeast Asia. Behavior: known for its large size and ability to attack other venomous snakes. Danger. The king snake, also known as the king cobra, is the longest venomous snake in the world. Its bite can kill a small elephant or up to 20 people. Although it usually avoids humans, it becomes extremely dangerous when it feels threatened. 4. Fer-de-lance, Bothrops asper. Characteristics. Venom: its venom is hemotoxic, destroying tissue, causing internal bleeding and necrosis at the bite site. Habitat: found in Central and South America, in tropical and subtropical forests. Behavior: it is very aggressive and camouflages well in its natural habitat, making it difficult to avoid. Danger. The fer-de-lance is responsible for the majority of snake bites in its region. Its venom can cause serious injury and permanent disfigurement if not treated quickly. 5. Gabon viper, Bitis gabonica. Characteristics. Venom: its venom contains a combination of hemotoxins and neurotoxins that can cause blood clotting, intense pain, and tissue death. Habitat: lives in the tropical forests and savannas of West and Central Africa. Behavior: it is usually docile and only attacks if provoked, but its bite is extremely dangerous. Danger. The Gabon viper is known for its very long fangs, which can inject a large amount of venom. Its bite can cause serious damage and requires emergency medical treatment. 6. Tiger snake, Notechis scutatus. Characteristics. Venom. Its venom is neurotoxic and coagulant, causing paralysis and respiratory failure. Habitat, found in southeastern Australia, including Tasmania. Behavior, can become aggressive if threatened, but usually avoids contact with humans. Danger. The tiger snake is one of the most venomous snakes in Australia. Its bite can be fatal if not treated quickly with antivenom. 7. S.U.S.C.R.I.B.E, Bungarus caeruleus. Characteristics. Venom. Its venom is highly neurotoxic, causing muscle paralysis and respiratory failure. Habitat, found in South Asia, including India and Sri Lanka. Behavior, nocturnal and relatively shy, but becomes dangerous if handled or provoked. Danger. The bite of the S.U.S.C.R.I.B.E is extremely lethal. Most bites occur at night, and victims may not realize they have been bitten until symptoms become severe. 8. Iron-nosed viper, Vipera amidites. Characteristics. Venom. Its venom is hemotoxic, causing intense pain, necrosis, and clotting problems. Habitat, found in Southeast Europe and the Middle East. Behavior. It is relatively aggressive and often bites if it feels threatened. Danger. The iron-nosed viper is responsible for the majority of snake bites in Europe. Its venom can cause serious injury and require emergency medical treatment. 9. The coral snake, Micrurus spp. Characteristics. Venom. Its venom contains neurotoxins that can cause paralysis and respiratory failure. Habitat, found in North and South America, in tropical and subtropical forests. Behavior. It is generally shy and avoids contact with humans, but its bite can be lethal. Danger. The coral snake is known for its bright colors. Its bite is rare, but extremely dangerous due to the strong venom. 10. Aca, Echis carinatus. Characteristics. Venom. Its venom is hemotoxic and cytotoxic, causing severe hemorrhage and necrosis. Habitat, found in North Africa, Middle East, and India. Behavior. It is very aggressive and responsible for many fatal bites in its region. Danger. Aca is considered one of the most dangerous snakes in Asia and Africa due to its powerful venom and high frequency of bites. Conclusion. These snakes are among the most dangerous in the world due to their powerful venom and aggressive behavior. Understanding their habitat and behavior is crucial to preventing dangerous encounters and managing emergencies. Despite the danger they pose, these creatures play an important role in their ecosystems and deserve our respect and protection.
I greet you again, visitor, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. The only request I have of you is to watch 50 seconds, 1 minute of this video clip, and according to the title you will definitely appreciate this posted clip. In the clip presented today I will explain about top 10 most beautiful snakes in the world. An extensive article on the most beautiful snakes in the world can explore various species, focusing on their unique characteristics, habitats, behavior, and why they are considered beautiful. Here is a proposal for such an article, which will include a detailed presentation of 10 of the most impressive snakes. 1. The coral snake. Description: coral snakes are known for their vibrant coloration, with alternating rings of red, yellow and black. These patterns make them some of the most attractive snakes. Habitat: found mainly in tropical and subtropical regions of North, Central, and South America. Behavior: they are nocturnal snakes and very reserved, preferring to hide under leaves or logs. Why it's considered beautiful: the bright color combination is both a warning to predators and a spectacle for human eyes. 2. Spotted viper, Viperobarus. Description: with a distinct zigzag pattern on its back and a range of colors ranging from gray to brown, this viper is highly prized for its beauty. Habitat: it is widespread in Europe and northern Asia. Behavior: it is a relatively slow and docile snake, preferring to hide in dense vegetation. Why it is considered beautiful: the zigzag pattern and its piercing eyes give it a mysterious and elegant look. 3. California king snake, Lampropeltis scatula californiae. Description: this snake has a distinctive pattern of white and black rings, making it easy to recognize. Habitat: found in California and adjacent areas. Behavior: it is a diurnal and nocturnal snake known for its ability to hunt other snakes, including venomous snakes. Why it's considered beautiful: the stark contrast between its white and black rings creates a striking pattern. 4. Green mamba, Dendroaspis viridis. Description: the green mamba has an intense emerald green color that allows it to camouflage perfectly in the tree canopy. Habitat: found in the tropical forests of West and Central Africa. Behavior: it is an agile and fast snake, living predominantly in trees. Why it is considered beautiful: its deep green color and the elegance with which it moves through the trees make it one of the most attractive snakes. 5. Rainbow boa, Epicrates centuria. Description: this snake has a brilliant iridescence, reflecting a full spectrum of colors in the light. Habitat: it is native to South America, especially in the tropical forests of Brazil. Behavior: although it is a constrictor snake, it is known for its docile nature. Why it's considered beautiful: its unique iridescence causes each individual to have a different color combination.
6. The milk snake, Lampropeltis triangulum. Description: having a similar pattern to the coral snake, this snake has red, black and white rings. Habitat: found in North and Central America. Behavior: it is a nocturnal and shy snake, avoiding interaction with humans. Why it's considered beautiful: its vivid patterns and adaptability to different environments make it attractive to reptile lovers. 7. Reticulated python, Moliopoton reticulatus. Description: it is the longest snake in the world, having a complex pattern of spots and lines that provide excellent camouflage. Habitat: it is found in Southeast Asia, living in forest and swampy areas. Behavior: it is a solitary snake that prefers to hunt at night. Why it's considered beautiful: its complex pattern and impressive size make it an attraction in zoos and reptile exhibits. 8. King cobra, Ophiophagus hanna. Description: the longest species of cobra, having a uniform olive or brown color and an impressive hood. Habitat: lives in the dense forests of South and Southeast Asia. Behavior: it is known for its intelligence and territorial defense behavior. Why it is considered beautiful: its elegance and regal demeanor give it a special status in the world of reptiles. 9. Green tree snake, Ahetula nasuta. Description: with a slender and long body, this snake has a bright green color, perfect for camouflage. Habitat: lives in the tropical forests of South and Southeast Asia. Behavior: it is an arboreal and diurnal snake, spending most of its time in trees. Why it's considered beautiful: its slender body and vibrant coloring make it one of the most elegant snakes. 10. Zebra snake, Sphaerosophus diadema. Description: it has a distinctive pattern of black and yellow stripes, similar to those of a zebra. Habitat: found in arid and semi-arid regions of Southwest Asia and the Middle East. Behavior: it is a terrestrial snake, active at night. Why it's considered beautiful: its unique stripe pattern and adaptability to different environments make it an interesting snake to observe. These species not only delight with their beauty, but also with their adaptability and diversity of behaviors. Each of these snakes has a special place in their ecosystems and in the hearts of those who study or admire them.